Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have a new phone with me, the Xiaomi 13 Pro. I want to do a little unpacking with you, so let's see what's inside. The box is the size of a brick, so it is also not very common anymore nowadays. The side of the box says, with your favorite Google apps. Is there any Android phone that doesn't have Google apps? Anyway, let's check out what's inside. And here we go. Got a little box here, and the Xiaomi semi-ejector tool. Paper stuff, no one is ever reading anyway. And a silicone case. Now to the main part, the thing we're all here for. The Xiaomi 13 Pro. So let's get it open. That's a beautiful color. It comes pre-installed with a screen protector, which is nice. If you like it, I do, because like this also you always keep the resale value high, which is a good thing. Here we go, cameras. Let's put it inside the silicone case. Now let's see what else is in the box. That's a 120 watt power brick and a USB-A to USB-C cable to power up your phone. Just a quick sample using the selfie camera, taking a video 1080p 30 frames per second. Let's take a look at some selfie portrait. The Xiaomi 13 Pro uses the telephoto lens for portraits by default. You can also activate a full body mode, which will then use the main lens. Let's take a look at some ultra-wide picture. And on this one we will go from ultra-wide all the way up to the highest level of zoom which the Xiaomi 13 Pro can do, which is 70x. For this picture, I activated the Super Macro mode of the Xiaomi 13 Pro. This mode also works while taking videos. And the best part is that you can even zoom in further, which can create some stunning results. Does anyone of you know which item I photographed here? Please let me know. Here's a little sample of the vlog mode of the Xiaomi 13 Pro. And this is one of different movie effects the Xiaomi 13 Pro offers, which is called parallel wall. So that was my unboxing and first look at the Xiaomi 13 Pro. I'm gonna prepare a camera comparison with a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I was actually using the S23 Ultra to record some part of the video, which you can see when I was unboxing the camera from the top view angle. If you want to see a camera comparison between these two phones, make sure to subscribe. if you want to see the Samsung S23 Ultra against the Huawei Mate 50 Pro, then please click up here. Thanks for watching, stay tuned what's coming, and see you in the next video.